Hi everyone, welcome to Lingolift Academy. Today, we'll explore some key Portuguese words. Whether you're planning a trip to Brazil or Portugal, diving into the local culture, or improving your language skills, learning Portuguese is invaluable. These words will help you connect with locals, navigate new places, and grasp the nuances of Portuguese-speaking communities. I'll share 10 essential words, their English meanings, and examples so you can start right away. Let's get started. Here are simple sentences for each word.
In English, we say hello.
In Portuguese, we say olá.
In English, we say hello, how are you?
Em português, we say olá, como você está?
In English, we say good morning.
Em português, we say bom dia.
In English, we say good morning. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Em português, we say bom dia. Espero que você tenha dia maravilhoso. Bom dia. Espero que você tenha dia maravilhoso.
In English, we say good afternoon.
In Portuguese, we say boa tarde.
In English, we say good afternoon. How has your day been so far?
Em português, we say boa tarde. Como tem sido seu dia até agora?
In English, we say good evening.
In Portuguese, we say boa noite.
In English, we say good evening. Have you had the chance to have dinner yet?
Em português, we say boa tarde. Como tem sido seu dia até agora?
In English, we say good night.
In Portuguese, we say boa noite.
In English, we say good night, sleep well.
Em português, we say boa noite, durma bem. Boa noite, durma bem. In English, we say how are you?
In Portuguese, we say tudo bem?
In English, we say how are you? How was your day?
Em português, we say tudo bem? Como foi seu dia? Tudo bem? Como foi seu dia?
In English, we say thank you.
Em português, we say obrigado.
In English, we say thank you very much for your help.
Em português, we say muito obrigado pela sua ajuda. Muito obrigado pela sua ajuda. In English, we say In Portuguese, we say you so. In English, we say I'm a Portuguese student. Em português, we say eu sou estudante de português. Eu sou estudante de português.
In English, we say delicious.
In Portuguese, we say delicioso.
In English, we say this cake is delicious.
Em português, we say este bolo está delicioso.
In English, we say no.
In Portuguese, we say no.
In English, we say no, I can't go today.
Em português, we say não, eu não posso ir hoje. Não, eu não posso ir hoje. In English, we say goodbye. In Portuguese, we say adeus. In English, we say goodbye, see you next time. Em português, we say adeus, até a próxima. Adeus, até a próxima.
Let's quickly review the 10 words we covered. Olá, hello, bom dia, good morning, boa tarde, good afternoon, boa noite, good evening, boa noite, good night. Tudo bem? How are you? Obrigado. Thank you. Não, não era delicioso. Delicious. Eu sou. I'm Pari. Feel free to use these phrases in your conversations. Here are a few tips to help you remember these words. Greetings and goodbyes. Words like olá, bom dia, boa tarde, and boa noite are used at different times of the day, so think of them as daily phrases. Thank you and no. Obrigado means thank you, and no simply means no. They're useful in almost every conversation. Delicious and how are you? Use delicioso to describe food, and tudo bem to ask how someone is doing. Introducing yourself. You so helps you say who you are. Just add what you do or where you're from. Practice these regularly to get comfortable with them. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on learning Portuguese and other languages. Keep up the fantastic work with your studies. You're doing great.